This is part 2 of making Nigerian meat pie. If you've not seen part 1, I'll advise you go and watch it. In a clean bowl, you want to add your flour and some butter, which is the star ingredient of this particular recipe. If you've done that, you'll give it a good mix. Mix. You can use both hands if one hand is not doing it for you. Just mix. Try to scatter the butter and the flour. This step actually takes time, but it's really worth it because once it's ready, you will see it has this breadcrumbs like texture. I'll tell you this for free. If you want a melt in the mouth meat pie, you need to be generous with your butter. Yes, that's what gives it that melt in the mouth effect. The amount of butter you use. Don't use too much butter, but at least be generous with it. Don't be. At this point, you can transfer your dough to a workspace so you can thoroughly knead it because you have to knead it so it will be really soft. Otherwise, your dough is going to be so strong. Then you want to put your dough in the fridge to rest for some minutes, not freezer, fridge, so you don't forget it and it becomes frozen. You get. Now it's time to roll out your dough. What you have to do is cut out a small palm size amount and just roll out. Don't roll it too thin and don't roll it too thick. Let it just be medium crusted. And then you apply some of your filling to it and you use your meat pie cutter to just give it that shape. If you don't have a meat pie cutter, you can use the cover of a pot and then you cover it up and you use fork to make the lines. But since I have the meat pie cutter, I use the meat pie cutter. Then you want to give your meat pie an egg wash. What this egg wash basically does for your meat pie is just to give it a very fine look, brown, beautiful golden look. So at this point, you transfer your meat pie to the oven and you bake for 15 to 30 minutes. That's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.